Guys, wish me luck today. I have a court hearing today at 10:30. Today is March 7th, 2025. I have a court hearing at Cameron County Court of Law number 1 with Judge Rogelio Valdez. I want to make this video as a log, which hopefully I'll be posting before I go in there, to let everyone know what's going on in case things go sideways for me. And so this hearing is being held unlawfully. Just to give you guys a quick synopsis of what's going on, Judge Rogelio Valdez presided a hearing back in September 20th, 2024. That was the last hearing before my case was dismissed. Moving past case dismissal, the dismissal was on October 11 of 2024. And so moving past that, I attempted to reopen a sanctions hearing that they unlawfully closed as well. Sanctions against the District Attorney Jacqueline Ruiz for ex parte communication with the judge. They've been trying to cover that up, and in the whole moving forward with this, I discovered a lot of other things happening in my court case, to include financial fraud from attorney Ernest Hernandez, who is overbilling the county using state funds. I have since uncovered a lot of cases where he has done the same thing, a lot of cases over the last 2 years where he has done the same thing. I have uncovered cases from the other attorney involved in my case, Sergio Galvan, who has also done the same thing, a lot of financial fraud. And I have a feeling, and I believe that it's a much broader scheme created by either Cameron County pretrial services or the attorneys themselves, but all judges are implicated in this. Specifically, in my case, Judge Arturo McDonald Jr. and Judge Rogelio Valdez, who facilitate these financial frauds by signing off their attorney fees, even when they're not procedurally allowed to. And I also uncovered more ex parte communication between the judge and the attorneys, who were all apparently cooperating with each other. Who were all cooperating with each other and working together to conspire against us, the defendants, the public. They do this a lot. They do this in a lot of cases, and I'm able to prove it in my case, and they're fighting back. The last judge that was assigned, so let me backtrack a little bit. They assigned Judge Rogelio Valdez back into the case after I submitted motions to reopen the sanctions hearing, which I immediately motioned to recuse him based on the fact that he's implicated in a lot of these ancillary issues that I'm having with the court. And so I motioned to recuse him. They assigned a new judge to hold a hearing to recuse Judge Valdez, and that new judge was Manuel Banales. He does not hold a hearing on his recusal. Instead, he just signs a dismissal, an order to dismiss the motion to recuse, which is not allowed. And so I motioned to recuse him. They assign a new judge, Nora Longoria, who happens to have a history. You all might remember her from her DWI arrest in McAllen back in, 2014, something like that. She did the same thing. She did not hold a hearing on the recusal and just signed an order dismissing motion to recuse. I recuse her, and she decides to ignore the motion to recuse past the 3-day statutory limit. Since then, the Fifth Administrative Judge, Missy Medry, has ignored the motion as well. And so my case is kind of in limbo. There is no official judge assigned to the case yet. Judge Valdez has taken it upon himself to accept an order by the district attorney's office to hold a hearing on my motions and deny them all. Based on BS, really. And so that's what we're here today. The judge, to begin with, the court has no jurisdiction because there has been no official assignment of a judge into the case, and so the court has no jurisdiction over this matter. And the judge that is presiding today, it has no judicial or lawful authority to conduct this hearing, as his recusal motion has not been concluded yet. So he cannot take any action in this case whatsoever, but he is doing so. And so I've been ordered by the court to show up. I plan to do that just because otherwise they will do whatever they will. My plan today is to show up and object to absolutely everything, but they have done things very strategically, and so the case is being held today, Friday, March 7th. They have 2 other hearings on the docket in the entire courtroom. That is, I don't know how many courtrooms there is here in Cameron County, but it's quite a bit of them. Well, there's only 3 cases being heard. The first one was at 8:30 in the morning. I don't know what happened to that one, but I'm sure they're completely done. Right now at 9 p.m., at 9 a.m., they were supposed to hold a hearing for the late Erasmo Castro against the utility board, I believe. Well, Erasmo Castro is no longer with us, and so I'm sure that hearing is completely done and everyone's gone. And now it's my case, the last one. Absolutely no witnesses left, I'm sure. I have requested Cameron County Sheriff's Office to step in and assign a deputy to walk in as a neutral person, not as security duty to the courthouse since they're assigned there, but as a request from a citizen. I don't know if they're going to take it that way or not, but they have just informed me that they will not be recording as per their policy. And so we'll see what happens. If I get arrested for BS, I want everybody to know that this judge and these officials had absolutely no authority to hold this hearing. It is completely unlawful, and I'll conclude this at some point or another. We're gonna finish with this. If I have to go to jail, I'll go to jail. When I come out, there's gonna be hell to pay. So I want to make this recording just in case things go sideways. Wish me luck, everybody. And by the way, if you're hearing this, follow me on my YouTube. Whether I continue them or continue after I get out of jail, we'll see. But I've been posting daily videos, mostly daily. Sometimes I'll miss a day here or there because I've been so busy with this case and uncovering a lot of things. But follow me on YouTube. It is Power to the People 2023. Look me up. Follow my Facebook. I have another page, Power to the People. Look me up on Instagram, TikTok. I post everywhere. We're gonna continue posting not just tips on how to defend yourself in court, but also how to identify the corruption happening in the courtrooms and how to expose the corruption happening in the courtrooms. And in addition, I'm going to be posting now everything about my case, including names and titles of all these people involved. So if you like drama, if you like chisme, follow along. There's going to be plenty of it. Wish me luck.